Guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. And on this episode, I have a recipe for you. We are gonna make rainbow trout, fresh from the lake. That corner caught. The ingredients are rainbow trout fillets, avocado oil, pepper, garlic powder, paprika, red pepper flakes, and Creole seasoning. First, spread out the fillets on a flat surface. Then, brush the avocado oil. After you brush the avocado oil, sprinkle the pepper, garlic, paprika, red pepper flakes, and last but not least, the Creole seasoning. Brush a little bit of avocado oil on top of them. Place them in the air fryer basket, skin side down. Leave space in between them. Yum yum. Cook them in the air fryer at 380 for 14 minutes. Look at that, yummy in my tummy. Serve them with rice and enjoy. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Leave a comment and a like. See you next week. Yum yum.